Bây giờ bóc luôn ấy.
Yep. Okay, so simple use, so we'll just locate the handle winder into position. And we want to make sure that we roll the blanket back on itself. So when the roller comes up and in, it's going to go behind the roller. So it'll come in into the cavity, back up and behind. So with our fixings, we've got our fixing points on the inside. So you'll be able to drill a series of screws through the alley and into the timber. And then you've got some fixing points for timber through here, and then your decking boards can be screwed down. If you need a nog through the middle, simply nog it out. Slow handle winder, no need for any speed. Any questions, just give us a buzz, details in the description.